Hello, busy people. What's up? Hope you guys are all doing great. So, in the previous video, we tested our chatbot to see if everything works well, and it did great. We were able to get the bot to capture lead information and automatically populate our Google Sheet CRM. That looked awesome. All right. So in this video, we're going to focus on how to install the chatbot as a widget on your website. Okay, so if you look at this website right here, this is the website for Chatbot Builder AI. You notice there is this little widget right at the lower right hand side here. Okay, and whenever the user clicks on it, it opens up a chat window that the user can use to interact with your bot. Okay, let's see how we can install this on our website. All right, so to do that, you want to go, I'm right inside of my CBB account, okay, because this is the platform on which we build the bot that you installed. All right, so you want to go right back into your CBB account, log in, and then go to settings using the menu bar on the left hand side. Click on settings, and it should bring this page up, and then go over to where it says channels. All right, and then scroll down to where it says web chatbot. Okay, and then go over to manage. All right, now if you notice, I already have settings here for the web chatbot. Okay, if you are wondering how I got this here, you probably did not watch the previous video. Right, there is a video. If you go back up to the previous tutorials, you will see how you can set one up. So this settings will manage how the bot will work on your website. Okay, it will give it a set of instructions, what kind of colors to use, what kind of menus to use, and all that. So this is how you can create a setting, okay, to allow the bot to operate on your website, all right, or anywhere on the web. So I'm assuming you've already done that by now. So what you want to do is you want to click right here, and it should open this place up for you. Okay, all right. So the first thing you want to do once you get here is you want to put the website where you want that chatbot to show up on. All right, so if I wanted, I'm using this sample right here. This is my agency website. So let's assume I want to install it on kesiswebsite.com. Okay, so I want to make sure I put that address. You don't need the HTTP, /column www and all that. Just go ahead and just put your website's name.com. That's it, just that simple. Okay, and put it right here. If you have any other website, I'm assuming you will only need to do it on one website. I'm assuming, but if you have more websites, you can add them here. But go ahead and put that right in here. Okay, this is important because sometimes not doing that could make the bot not work well. Okay, so once you put in your domain for the website where you want the chatbot to be installed, go ahead and hit save. All right, and then once you do that, go to documentation. Okay, and then what you want to do here is you want to type in web chat. Okay, now I brought you over here to the documentation part because one thing I noticed is that CBB updates this code. They've updated this code recently, and it's very likely they're going to be updating it in the future. All right, so I want to make sure that anytime you plan on installing this widget on your site, that you have the most recent script. All right, because we're going to be copying a script here to paste it on our website. Okay, so when you get here, like I said, type in web chat, it will open up a tutorial here. There you're going to notice that there are different JavaScript codes. Okay, now it's any one of them can work. It's just the way it's set up in a way where you can customize the code to do what you want it to do. Okay, so what I will advise is you can grab the very first one right here if you want to. That's a lot easier, you know, for those of you who don't like to mess with too much code. You can just use the easier one right here, or we can grab this one that has a little bit more option. Okay, so with this one you can change your ID, your account ID, which I'll show you how to get that. You can change color, you can hide the header or show the header, and you can choose template. Okay, so let's test out you know, a simple one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that. All right, and then on my website I'm going to paste this. If you notice, the instruction says that we should paste this in the body or the footer. Okay, it's not saying we should paste it in the header. Okay, so on our website we want to go find where the footer is. Now there are many different websites out there, different website platforms I should say. There are many different website platforms out there, right? You got WordPress, you got Wix, you got I think GoDaddy has their own, probably. You got WooCommerce, maybe Bluehost, and on and on and on, many of them. So what you want to do is you want to look for where the body and the footer of your website is, so you can paste that script in there. Okay, where is the script? Yeah, we want to paste this in the body or the footer area of the script. Now if you don't know where this is, you can contact the support for your website platform or your hosting company and just email the script to them and tell them you want to, you know, embed a chat widget on your site, and their developers will take care of it for you. If they can't do it, you can contact the CBB support, you know, to see if they can help you out. If they cannot help you out, go ahead and send me an email and I can assist you. All right, so the sample I'm gonna be using here, this is my WordPress platform. This I built this site on WordPress. Okay, so for those of you who have WordPress, you can follow along with me. I cannot do a video for every platform, right? So like that's why I gave you that advice of, you know, contacting the support of your host company. So we want to look for the header. Now some of you probably already have a header and a footer plugin, right, on your WordPress website. If you don't have one, I'm sure you probably know how to go get one, right? You want to go over to plugin, click on add new, where it says add new plugin. All right, and then you want to go to where it says the search bar, right? We want to search for plugins and want to put in WP headers and footer. All right, and then it will pull up this one right here. This is the one that I'm currently using. There are some other ones you can also use. It will pretty much do the same job, but I'm using the one that says insert headers and footers by WP Brigade. So what you want to do is you want to click the button here. I've already installed it, so it says active, but if not, just click to install and then click the same button to activate it. Okay, once you have it activated, you can go over to where it says settings on the left hand side, and then you can see right here it says WP headers and footers. Okay, so you want to go over here, and then we're going to paste that web widget script in the footer area. Okay, so to do that, we want to go over to our documentation, and we want to grab that code, that script right here, and you copy that, and we want to go ahead and paste it right here. All right, now we need to replace this right here with our user account ID. All right, so to get that, you want to go over to your CBB account and then click on settings, and then you want to scroll down and copy your account ID right here. Okay, and then you want to come in here and just change only where it says your underscore account underscore ID. That's the only part we're changing. Okay, be careful not to delete the curly brackets and the other stuff over there. All right, if not, it could mess up things. Okay, so just change that part, and then once you're done, we can go ahead and hit save changes. Okay, now before we check to see if the widget is showing on the website, I need to point this out that there are times when you paste a script on your website and at times it doesn't work well with the website, right? There are times when your script might conflict with other scripts. As you can see, there are other scripts I have in here. There are times your script can conflict with other scripts somewhere on the website, right? And it could cause problems or something like that. Those things do happen. Okay, if you experience something like that where the widget is not showing up, I'm going to show you an alternative, okay, a way to go around that. Okay, if you encounter any problems, you can contact the host provider you have for your website, and just email the script to them and tell them, hey, I want to embed a script on my website. Can you help me out? If they can help out, just contact the CBB support. They got great support. They can assist you. If not, then you can send me an email and I'll see what I can do for you. Okay, let's check to see if the script is showing on the website. Okay, so you can see right here it's showing up right here. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, you can also clear cache in case it's not showing. Maybe you can clear your cache. That too sometimes can get in the way of your widget showing. All right, so in case, like I said before, if you're still having problems, let me go back to headers and footer. Yeah, if you're still having problems displaying the widget on your website, you can also embed the widget in the form of a link on your website. Okay, so instead of having the widget show up at the bottom right, we can also embed an image here and prompt or urge the lead to click on it, and it will open up the chat widget. Okay, so this is another way you can go around it. If you're having script problems, that's a smart way to go around it. So I'm gonna go over to my WordPress website. I'm gonna go over to pages, go to my home page, and I'm using site builder. I think it's called, is that what it's called? Page site builder by Site Origin. Okay, so yours might be different. You might be using a different page builder, but the main idea is we want to embed our chat widget. So over here, I want to embed it onto, give me a sec, let me open this one right here. So I want to embed it right over here on top of where it says our services, right? So to do that, I'm gonna go over here and I'm going to add a new row. I'm gonna add 3 columns, and then I'm going to, I think you put it right at the bottom. I'm gonna pull that up here right on top of where it says services, our services. I'm gonna pull it right up here. Okay, and I want to put an image here, so I'm gonna add a widget. I'm going to look for Site Origin image and then click, and let's see if I can find my image on my desktop. Okay, right over here. Okay, and I'm going to enter that and maybe a few settings. So here we want, again, we want the user, as soon as the user click that image, we want to open up the chat. Okay, so we want to grab the link for the chat. All right, go to your flows, and I will put like the welcome chat. So I'm gonna go with maybe like Google Sheet CRM welcome message AI new school. All right, so I'm gonna go right here, grab the web link. Make sure you grab the web chat link. Okay, and then copy that, and then you can come in here and then paste that right over here. Okay, so this is the destination URL. Okay, If you want to, we can do open a new window. If you don't want to, you can just keep it inbound. All right, and then I think that's about it. Maybe alignment of the image, I'll say maybe center align. All right, and then hit done and update. Okay, and then let me go ahead and refresh, and right there is my chat button. Okay, so when the user lands on my home page, they're gonna see this button. All right, if you don't want it over here, you could put it maybe at the very top, maybe right above here if you want to. Okay, that's also fine. All right, let's see how it looks over there. Yeah, maybe I could move this up here. Save, refresh. There you go. So you see right there. So you can move it wherever you want. That way, when the user lands on your page, it's right there, right? And they can click. When they click that, the chatbot opens up right here. Okay, and you can see that. All right, I like using this as a backup. Okay, because like I said before, sometimes I've installed a script on some websites where there are pages on the website that was not working well. The pages just broke down because I installed a widget on the website, right? Sometimes the widget itself will not even work the way it's supposed to, all right? Because there's likely some kind of a conflict going on between your script that you're installing in there and some scripts that are already on the website. You don't want to, maybe you don't have the time to try to fix those things. So a nice way to work around that is just get a nice image and make the image clickable. Okay, and then like I said, just grab the URL for your flow. Okay, make sure you grab the one that says web chat, copy that, and then just put that in there as your destination URL. Okay, that way whenever the user gets to your website and they click right there, your chatbot will show up. Okay, so guys, I honestly think I would recommend this. For real, this is one of the best ways to go around script problem. So I would recommend you do that. But if you still want to go with script, try the script first. Okay, see if it works well on your site, then that's cool. That way, if you have multiple pages, no matter what page you're on, the bubble will still show up here. Okay, the little bit of a downside to this is you may have to install it, or you may have to put this image or maybe 2 additional pages, maybe. Okay, but if you have a 1-page website like mine, this will be great. Okay, you can put it right here or anywhere you want it. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope this was not too much information for you. If you're still having problems with embedding the chatbot widget on your site, like I said, please contact your host provider and send them the script, or you can contact CBB support. Okay, if they are not available, they should be able to assist, but if they're not available, just send me an email. I'll see if I can help you out. Okay, the other thing is, if you're having problem with your script, go with that image link. All right, that's a lot easier. It works better. It doesn't really use too much of script stuff. It's just an image linking to your chatbot. Okay, because I found this a lot more reliable than the script. Okay, all right guys, hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, take care and bye.